How to fix couldn't load high-resolution image on Messenger. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the could not load high-resolution image problem on Messenger, whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone and check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If Wi-Fi is not available, turn on your mobile data and ensure your internet connection is working properly. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons why high-resolution images fail to load. After checking your internet, stay inside Settings and scroll down to Apps or App Management. On iPhone, go to General. Now tap on iPhone Storage and wait a few seconds for all apps to load. Search for Messenger and open it. Once you're inside the Messenger app settings, tap on Cache or Offload App. This removes temporary files that may be causing the loading issue without deleting your messages. After clearing the cache, go back to your home screen and open the Google Play Store or App Store. Search for Messenger and open its app page. If you see an Update button, tap on it to update the app to the latest version. Using an outdated version can sometimes cause image loading problems. Once the update is completed, open Messenger again and check if the issue has been fixed. If the problem still continues, go back to Settings again and scroll down and open Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset Options or Reset Phone, then select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Data, or Network Settings. Confirm the reset and enter your phone passcode if required. This will refresh your network configuration and often fixes connection-related issues. Now reopen Messenger and try loading the image again. The high-resolution image should now load without any problem. If you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.